Hello dear fans. What is soda? Soda is a substance that is familiar to many. It is found in almost every home. But at the same time, not everyone knows what it is and how it can be applied. And even more so, rarely does anyone think that soda is a real chemical. The usual name, baking soda, hides sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3, as well as the acidic salt of carbonic acid. Soda is usually a white crystalline powder, which is mostly intended for cooking, but can be used in other areas of the household. The history of soda. The history of baking soda dates back to the late 18th century, when the powder was invented by the French chemist Leblanc. Moreover, at first this discovery was secret, and the documents on the study are not available to the common people. Considering the fact that today soda, which is quite inexpensive, is found everywhere, this is hard to believe. The mass availability of soda began only after a new method of obtaining it was invented. At this time, it was designed only for use in pastry shops. Today, soda is used not only in cooking, but also in households and medicine. With its help, they clean dishes, wash work surfaces, get rid of grease and dirt on sinks, etc. In addition, soda is widely used to treat various types of diseases. A soda drink is especially popular for these purposes. Soda characteristics. According to its characteristics, soda has a number of distinctive features. So, for example, soda is non-toxic, fire and explosion-proof. It has a salty taste, which is also sometimes called soapy. If soda powder gets on the mucous membranes, it irritates them. Therefore, it is not recommended to work continuously in an atmosphere contaminated with sodium bicarbonate dust. Soda water is obtained by the interaction of soda powder and ordinary pure water. How is soda used? In cooking, baking soda is usually combined with vinegar. It is slightly quenched with it so that bubbles appear on the surface and then added to the dough. This method helps to make the dough looser and fluffier. The use of soda in medicine has a richer variability. After all, it can be used both externally and taken internally. For example, baking soda dissolved in warm milk is considered an ideal cough suppressant. After all, soda is excellent at thinning phlegm. It should be borne in mind that doctors do not always support the optimism of ordinary people on the use of soda. And they do not recommend using soda thoughtlessly only after consulting a doctor. You can also gargle it. Soda is also widely used to treat the common cold. With abundant discharge, it is generally recommended to rinse the sinuses with baking soda. They treat eyes with soda in the presence of inflammation, arrhythmia, hypertension and a whole list of diseases, which may include quite serious problems. In households, baking soda is used instead of a cleaning powder. Moreover, according to observations and studies, soda helps to cope with household pollution by an order of magnitude better than the usual and advertised means. Thanks for watching.